Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. One of the ways I do that is by budget shopping, Goodwill, thrifting, going on Facebook Marketplace, and Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, all the stores, you know, all the stores. So I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and that's one way I love to achieve the luxe look for less. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating with style on a budget, then this is a channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, I told you in a few videos ago that I have the itch to switch. So I would love to sell my home, start over, and just buy a bigger house and redecorate. I love decorating, and I love decorating on a budget. But alas, it is not meant to be. The housing market right now, at least for me, is not the time for me to sell my home to buy a new one. I could sell my home and I could make top dollar, but the home that I would purchase would probably be smaller and 2 to 3 times as much as I'm paying now for my current home. So why? I love my current home. I just wish it was bigger. Why do I wish it was bigger when there's only just the 2 of us here? I don't know. I'm crazy, but I would like a bigger home. Our house is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a loft and a lounge. So the lounge could be a bedroom, the loft could be a bedroom, so it could be a 4-bedroom home. We have a full basement, we could finish that. So we could do a lot of things with our home, but those things would cost a lot of money. And yeah, I told you guys I don't want to spend any money. So I've been thinking of ways of trying to refresh my home to give my old home a new house feel. So last year, I embarked on making little minor changes, like we painted the accent wall black. We did the wainscoting over here with just some regular wainscoting that I picked up from Lowe's. It's like picture frame molding. It was already put together. All I had to do was tack it onto the wall. And yeah, it just gave the space a whole new look. It gave this area a whole new look. And then I decided, hey, I want to tackle the kitchen. I want to give my kitchen a refresh. So my kitchen is basic, boring, builder grade. So I wanted to give it a little pizzazz, but on a budget. And so I want to change out the cabinets. I can't do that right now, but I did decide to go ahead and change out the kitchen countertop. And oh my gosh, what a difference did that make. So once I did that, I painted out my old countertops as well. Guys, it just gave my kitchen a whole new look. It gave my old kitchen a new kitchen feel and look. And I am absolutely loving it. My friends and family love it. My boyfriend loves it. Oh my gosh, we are just loving the refresh. Again, it's like it's like being in a new home. And all we did was some simple, budget-friendly refreshes. Guys, you can change out the look of your home to give your old home a new look and not have to spend a lot of money. So that's what my channel is all about, how to help you decorate your home with style on a budget and save money. So guys, if you're looking for home decorating inspiration like that, this is the channel for you. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, give the video a big thumbs up. So let me show you the outcome of the refresh. You've seen it before, but I am so in love with it, so in love with it. And I got some new pieces for my dining room table. I want to show you guys how it looks all put together. So let's go take a look. Make sure you subscribe. All right, so let's take a trip down memory lane and I'll show you how my kitchen used to look. All right, so this is how the kitchen is looking after my mini refresh, and I absolutely love it. You remember I asked you guys if I should reorder the vases from M&M that didn't come in, Well, I did, and I am so glad I did. Look how nice these are. So nice and tall. So before, I had 3 centerpieces with this greenery going down the middle, and I just switched it out with the white. Now, these are the only 2 pieces that came from H&M. I wish they had a smaller one of these or a smaller one of these. They don't. So I'm using what I have, and I have this little bubble vase that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. So I've paired it with these other 2, and I think it looks so nice here in my kitchen. Absolutely love it. You know, black and white are my signature colors. I use green or greenery as my accent color, and it just looks so nice. So that's how that's looking. This is how this area is looking. Love how it looks. All right, let's talk about how we changed our old home into a new house. So one of the first things we did was change out the lighting. There used to be an ugly boob light here. No personality at all, boring builder grade. We put in this 5 pendant light. The pendants were clear when we first installed it. I enjoyed it, but over time, I also wanted to step it up a notch. So when I found these very pretty globes at IKEA for $38 a piece, I had to pick them up, and they have just elevated the light fixture and the space. We also changed our light up here in the kitchen. It is so much nicer now. It goes with the other lighting that we have in the home. We changed out the pendant. Was the chandelier that hung here before, but again, it was just basic, boring. So we changed it out to this really pretty light fixture, and I absolutely love it. We changed our backsplash. There was not backsplash here when we first moved in. At the time, we did a peel and stick tile in black and white. It was okay. As you can see here in the photos of our old kitchen, I don't know. We lived with it. I liked it at the time. But as you get older, your style evolves. So we've lived in this house now for like 6 going on 7 years. We changed out the tile to this really pretty white marble and glass. So nice. It looks very nice here in the kitchen. We also painted out our doors here. Also, all of these changes were very budget-friendly upgrades that did not cost us a lot of money at all, but it has given our home, our kitchen in particular, a high-end look for less. I'm sorry, guys, the lighting was horrible today. But yeah, this is how our kitchen looks. Absolutely love it. The paint that we did on the countertops is holding up. Absolutely love that. The island, again, this was budget friendly. The top came from IKEA. Absolutely love the look here now. It is so spacious, oversized, so nice. I love these chairs. These chairs came from Amazon. Very modern, very aesthetic in look and style. These pendants came from IKEA. Again, this is a DIY light. It did not come this way. The light originally came from Wayfair, I think, or Overstock, and it had clear globes. And when I saw these at Amazon, or not Amazon, at IKEA, I knew I had to have them. I knew they would look perfect here in this space, and it has elevated the look of the light so much. These were $38 a piece. They're very large, as you can see. So I think, yeah, for the price, I couldn't pass them up, so I had to get them. And I just love the way it looks here in the space. We've paired it again with some things that we picked up off clearance. I'm missing the spoon here. From Hobby Lobby, these placemats came from there. You can see it has the same texture, which mimics the texture in the pillow covers that are in the living room. This dinnerware came from the Dollar Tree, $1.25 a piece. You cannot go wrong. The napkin came from Hobby Lobby, again, something on clearance. Glasses came from Home Goods a few years ago. Again, guys, I'm using things that I already have. These vases here, this one came from Home Goods. It was $24.99. This one is a new one I picked up. It matches the other vase that I have in my lounge right now, but I love the look. I paired it with some greenery here, and I don't, guys, it just looks so aesthetically pleasing. I am very, very happy with how this turned out. And you remember I told you I was in love with the checkered print? Well, that piece of marble, I took it and I put it in a picture frame, and I have it here in the kitchen. Again, I love it. I love how it looks. So, so nice. Over here, we have this little vignette that I styled with some salt and pepper shakers that I picked up from the Goodwill. I cleaned these up really, really good, sterilized, sanitized them, and they were 99 cents a piece. So I think that looks really, really nice here in the space. We did the oil bottles a few weeks ago, and yeah, this is how this space looks over here. I love the black and white aesthetic. It is so modern, so classic to me. It will never go out of style. So yeah, this is how my kitchen is looking. This is how to take an old house and make it feel new again. All I did was change out a few things that were very budget friendly, added some very budget friendly accessories, and we have given our space a whole new look. And I absolutely am in love. Love, love, love. So this is how it looks from this side. Very, very nice. So now I am going to tackle my family room. Oh, remember I told you guys that I had some other updates. So I got the rugs, the little runners that I'm going to be changing out here in this area. We're going to be doing the stairs next. But remember we did this. All right, remember the canvases that we put up last week? Well, I did go ahead and paint the white areas black. I just didn't like it. I didn't like it. So I think it looks a lot better now that it's black. Everything is very cohesive and looks really nice here in the space. So yeah, that is how I am making my old home feel new again, by going around and refreshing the space. You do not have to go out and buy new things. Switch things up in your home. Take something from one room, put it in another room, switch out your decor. You can give your old home a whole new look just by using a little paint. Remember, we painted out that wall. Again, it's given us a whole new look. This new artwork also has given us a whole new look. So yeah, guys, don't be afraid to switch things around in your home to give it a refresh. So I'm excited to get started over here next. So I'm going to move on to other areas of my home now. So if you're looking for changing up your home but doing it on a budget, how to make your old home feel like a new house, this is the channel for you. Make sure you subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my old home, new house refresh. I am loving the kitchen. I hope you do as well. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, your opinions, things that we can tackle next. And with that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.